Hello everyone, in this video I am going to present the concept of string in C. So here you all know that string is a collection of characters. It's an array of characters, and you also know what is an array. Array is a collection of same type of elements under a single name stored in a contiguous location. Here what is the difference between a character array and a string is there. Here the string is terminated with a special character /\0, that is a null character. Okay, that is called end of string. So string is a collection of characters. Okay, so now here we are going to see how to declare the string. So declaring a string is as simple as declaring an one-dimensional array. So how you declare an one-dimensional array? Array size, here this is the array size. Okay, and then number of elements is the array size, and this is the array name, and this is the type of the array. So this is then character array. That means this array is going to contain characters, and under the name str underscore name, and the size may be 10 or 15 or 20 depending upon the capacity of the string. This is the way to declare the string. Now we will see how to initialize the string. So what does initializing means? Giving some value to the string initially. That is giving some fixed value to a string is called as initializing a string. So there are few examples given, different types are given. One is char, the type, then the array name with the empty braces, and I can say the string. String is always given within the double quotes, computer science. Okay, that is one way of declaring. Otherwise you can say array type, that is char, and then str, the array name, and size also can be given. So that is, again, it is given the double quotes, computer science. Then third type we can give the same way here. Individually we can give the elements as an independent character. So character, string, that is the name of the string, and then the empty braces, and here you can see everything is separated into single quotes. The word computer science is given as an individual character separated by single quotes, and here this space is also given by an empty space here. Okay, so this is the way to define the string of characters, and you can see at the end of string there is a null character. This is the difference between the array declaring as a string or declaring as an array of characters, and you can also see this is enclosed by a curly brace. And otherwise the same thing can be done with the size also. So four different ways of initializing the values to a string. Now let us see a simple program of reading and writing a string. So as usual, the program starts with include stdio.h, and here since I have used the string function, I have to use the string header file. So hash is include string.h int main, and then we are declaring the string. So as I told you how to declare the string, the array type, and then the array name and the size of the array. So we have one more array name and the array size. So reading the string, I have given two different ways of reading. One is by scanf, other is by getters. When you say scanf, we have to give the formatting character %s and then the string name. If we are using the function, just you have to give getters the function name, and name is the parameter. Okay, so how to output the string? Two ways. Printf is the output function, and put is also an output function. When you are using the printf function, we have to use the format character called the %s, because %s is used for a string. When you are using this put string function, there is no need to use the %s, because there is no need for formatting character. So that's all. Two ways of getting the input and two ways of printing the output. And then for the int you have to put the return 0. That's all. The simple method of how to declare an array and how to initialize an array, and I just given a simple program of reading and writing a string in a simple program. Thanks for watching.